If you keep losing weight, then gaining it back, you don't need another diet. You need a fat loss lifestyle. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop starting over and start living in a way that naturally keeps fat off. Fat loss sticks when it becomes who you are. Habits follow identity. Complex plans don't last. Eat foods you can repeat without stress. Fat loss lifestyles move daily. On-screen text, steps, workouts. Walking keeps fat loss effortless. Muscle protects fat loss. On-screen text, more muscle equals higher metabolism. Train 3 to 4 times per week. Burnout kills consistency. On-screen text, sleep and stress matter. Recover well to stay lean. Never go all or nothing. On-screen text, progress over perfection. One bad day doesn't cancel the system. If this helped, like and subscribe to FlipFit yourself for more sustainable fat loss systems. Comment lifestyle and I'll send you a free fat loss lifestyle blueprint. Build the lifestyle and fat loss becomes automatic. See you in the next one Flex Biceps Fire.